Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test in the Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro friends, which has been arrived recently in my studio. And finally, it is a charging test which I'll be doing in my channel. And this is a small chart which I prepared currently using this Realme X7 Pro, and which has a 65 watt super dot charger. As you can see, this is a default charger which I'll be using, and I'll be using the default cable alone, and I'll be writing down the battery percentage for every 15 minutes and even the temperature readings as well for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and also once it get fully charged as well. So it is a stopwatch which is ready in this TikTok phone as well, as you can see here. So it is a stopwatch has been ready here, and it is a phone alone Realme X7 Pro device, so which is very good phone which has 120 Hz refresh rate and very good fast charging, and with the processor of the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And right now the phone is in completely switch off. As you can see, it's completely dead right now, and this is a test which I am doing when the phone is completely off. So maybe after a couple of days later I'll try to do the charging test when the phone is in on mode. So once I finish this charging test, what I'll try to do, I'll try to use this phone for the next couple of days, and I'll be coming with a battery backup review of this Realme X7 Pro alone. So let's see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing the battery backup, gaming, camera, loudspeaker, and a lot of other comparisons will be coming in the upcoming days as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. As I said, do check the links in description. So you should know everything about this Realme X7 Pro before the phone is getting launched in India. So by the time I am making this video, still the phone did not get launched in India. So you should be knowing everything about this mobile phone alone. And the phone has the USB port, not the Type-C to Type-C. This is a USB port here. So in the normal 65 watt fast charger, there will be Type-C to Type-C port, but it's a very good thing having the USB cable here. And let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time. And as I said, let me try to even take the temperature readings of the mobile phone. So let's see what temperatures currently are. As you can see, the temperature is very low, only 29.9 degrees, and even the front side is of 30 degrees only, so 30.3. So this is the just normal basic temperature before the starting of the test. So once the phone is getting charged for 15 minutes, I'll try to record temperature, and 30 minutes and full charge as well. So let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time currently. So as you can see, friends, clearly the battery percentage is of 1% only, and the stopwatch has been started right now currently. And let's see in the 15 minutes how much the phone can actually charge with using the 65 watt fast charger. And once the 15 minutes time is over, again I'll try to record the video, and we'll get to know in the 15 minutes will it be able to charge to 60% or 65%. I think my guess would be close to 55 to 60%, I think, in the first 15 minutes. So let's see, friends, how the results will be there. And next thing is that I'll try to do the comparison with the 65 watts versus the 50 watts, so which is a previous version from the Realme X2 Pro. I'll try to do the comparison side by side, charging the both the phones at same time. So wait for that video, that will be coming very soon. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends. Again, I'll be back after 15 more minutes. So let's see how much the phone can actually charge. So as you can see here, friends, the time is of exactly 15 minutes, and the battery percentage reached to the 52%. As you can see, friends, after 15 minutes of charging. And the battery temperature, you can see 35 degrees, 36 degrees, 36, and the back side is also 36. So let me write down the battery percentage and the temperatures as well. So battery percentage is of 52% and temperature is of 36 degrees. So when I started, the temperature was around, I think, 30 degrees. So before the test begin, and after 15 minutes the temperature increased by 6 degrees. You can clearly see a difference, as you can see, friends. So let's see in the next 15 minutes how much the phone can actually charge. So I'm very curious to see will it be able to charge within 30 minutes, or how long will it take to charge this 4500 mAh of battery capacity. And another thing, I am really worried about the temperature as well. So let's see, friends, whether this temperature will keep on increasing or it will decrease gradually or not. So let's see. I'm not sure whether this will do that, because this is the first time I am doing this charging test in the Realme X7 Pro using 65 watt fast charger. So let's see how this will go, and stay tuned for more videos as well. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes. So as you can see here friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes of continuously charging and the battery reached to the 92% as you can see here. So at the time of exactly 30 minutes it's 92, now it's 93, but I'll record the 92 only. The battery percentage, I think the phone temperature is of 35 degrees. As you can see, it's only 35 degrees everywhere. I think it's the temperature is maintaining constant. It's not increasing more than 36 degrees. So let me write down the battery percentage. It's 92% and temperature is of 35 degrees. So little bit 1 degree got decreased. So let's see how much more time will it take to completely charge the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is what I'm very curious about to know, how much time it will take. So by this time the Realme X2 Pro will be already completely charged within 29 minutes in the previous model from the Realme X2 Pro. This Realme X7 Pro, let's see how much more time will it take to charge the 100% of battery here. So right now it's been 35 minutes of continuously charging the phone, and the battery percentage right now it reached to the 99%. So this last 1 minute, let's see how much more time will it take, because 99% exactly it came when the time is around 35 minutes. So let's see friends, that 1%, usually the last 1% will take a little bit of more time than expected in the Realme phones. So that is what I did observe in the previous models as well from the Realme X2 Pro. And finally it got fully charged, as you can see, 35 minutes and 52 seconds. So these are within the mark of 36 minutes. So overall, this is the overall time, 35 minutes and 52 seconds. So you can consider up to 36 minutes as well as a round figure as a time. So overall it took about 36 minutes to completely charge this Realme X7 Pro device. And finally now it's fully charged, and what I'll try to do is I'll try to use this Realme X7 Pro for the tomorrow continuously from morning to evening, and I'll be coming up with the battery details, all the screen on time statistics and everything related to this Realme X7 Pro mobile phone. So stay tuned friends for that video. That video will be very much excited, so you will get to know more details about the battery of the Realme X7 Pro device. And the final temperatures also started to decline little bit. You can see it's around 33 degrees. It started to decrease. So let's see friends, how the battery life gonna be with this mobile phone for the next couple of days. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. Check my channel every day, so there will be so many videos will be coming on the Realme X7 Pro very soon. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.